First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dimitris Vagiakakos and I work at cybersecurity and I'm moderating the Greek Linux communities from a very young age. Moreover, I own my own educational YouTube channel with a ton of educational videos about blockchain, Linux, Android security, telecommunications and coding. Today I'm going to present my final year thesis at University of Piraeus, the first world blockchain camera. Blockchain camera provides an easy and safe way to capture and guarantee the existence of videos, reducing the impact of modifying videos as it can preserve the integrity and validity of videos using blockchain technology. Blockchain camera sends to Ethereum network the hash of each video and the time the video has been recorded in order to be able to validate that the video is a genuine. Blockchain camera smart contract finds the video from blockchain's timestamp in order to eliminate any possibility of editing the time that the video has been sent to blockchain. Then users can download a video and hash it by themselves and then validate if the video is genuine by using blockchain camera validator tools. There are two versions available, a GUI and a CLI version, or even it can be run to old netbooks. The recommended implementation of blockchain camera uses Raspberry Pi Zero as it consumes less electricity and is capable of working using a power bank with 5-volt solar panel. Blockchain camera can be used, for example, in smart cities, in police gears, in car accidents, or even to entire European Union. Blockchain camera can support and reduce the possibilities from modded videos as well as with the deepfakes. Blockchain camera is implemented in Python3 and Solidity so it can run in any GNU Linux device and comes under GNU GPL version 3 plus license. For more information about how it works and how you can create your own blockchain camera, reading the full paper is recommended. Source code and paper can be found in the official GitHub repository of the project. There are many ideas and potentials to extend the main idea of blockchain camera, and that was the main reason I submitted this lightning talk. If you want to share with me your ideas, you can find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, GitHub, and many other social networks. As you can see on this slide, my username everywhere is SV1SJP. Thank you for your time and wishing you the best. Have a nice day.